Okay, so what could have been the reason why YouTube will suddenly terminate a channel or demonetize a channel that hasn't violated any of their policies? What could have been the reason? So this is the situation of some creators who suddenly find themselves in a very terrible mess. Like all their channels has been terminated, or all their channels has been demonetized. So in today's video, I'm going to shed light to one particular aspect of channel creation that a lot of creators are easily overlooking, and sometimes possibly that will lead them, when they violate a policy with one channel, it will affect the rest of the channel. So I came across a video recently and I thought I should share my thought about this particular issue. So let me play a clip from.
So guys, 3 of my channels just got demonetized. Some of these channels I've been working on since 2021. So it's been like 5 years working on these channels. Sleepless nights, everything just to get into the monetization phase. Wake up one day and they are all gone, making original content. I think that's the only way to save yourself here, right? So commenting on people, reaction to people's content without providing. I wasn't speaking, right? I wasn't speaking on this content, but I did add captions and reaction, which I've seen many people doing the same, but I got demonetized by it.
So you can see from what he said, he didn't add commentary to these videos that was using from other creators and he got demonetized. But to be candid with you, this creator was very fortunate, because some hours ago, before I started this recording, I was discussing with a creator that owns a channel with over 140,000 subscribers, and that channel will be terminated today. Unfortunately, by tomorrow that channel will not be existing. So you get the point. So now when you see people doing a particular kind of content and you are seeing them getting the views, the subscribers, that is not a guarantee that that system or that kind of content is working. You get the point. Like, imagine this channel with over 140,000 subscribers that will be terminated today. Imagine that a smaller channel might be looking up to this channel and say, wow, this channel is getting thousands of subscribers monthly, getting hundreds of thousands of views monthly. That, okay, let me try this kind of content out. But not knowing that behind the scene, there's nothing working, in that channel. So not everything you see that you try to experiment or you try to catch up with.
And when I got demonetized, that wasn't what I was expecting. If one of my channels had been demonetized, I thought I was safe with the other channels after I'm creating original content with these channels, but they all got affected because one channel has violated the policies, right?
This is the major area where I want to talk about in this video. Now, you see, as we create more channels, this is the era that, creators are experimenting, testing out different kinds of content, especially faceless content and AI-generated content. Now, one thing you need to know is that whatever happens to one of your channels, whether demonetization or termination, will eventually affect other channels that you own. You get the point. Now, let me take it further. Many of you will think that, okay, if I want to create a channel, maybe you want to experiment something with a new channel. You create a new Google account. You use that Google account to create a new channel, and then you are safe. So anything that happens to that channel will not affect the other channels with different Google accounts. But I'm here to tell you that may possibly not work, because I've worked with an organization that owns a YouTube channel, and this channel has over 100,000 subscribers. This channel got demonetized due to invalid traffic. So this channel has been demonetized for some years. But along the line, recently, they now decided to create a new channel just for another purpose. They weren't thinking of circumventing the system. They just wanted to create another channel for another purpose. And what they did is they created a new Google account used that new Google account to create a new YouTube channel, and the channel was running smoothly. Then at some point, the channel reached the monetization threshold and they applied for monetization, and the new channel got monetized. Now, after some days, this channel got demonetized, and we later discovered that one of the admin, or one of the contact in the old Google account has this contact also added to the new Google account, and that is where the YouTube system now found out that the owner of these two Google accounts will possibly be the same person, and the second channel got demonetized. So what I'm trying to say here is that it doesn't end by creating one Google account for one YouTube channel. Even if there's a way that the Google system can easily dictate that it is the same person that owns the two Google accounts, there's every chances that whatever happens to all the channels in the first Google account will also affect all the channels in the second Google account. So let's understand this and understand it very well, because I know many people will start separating their channels into different Google accounts, but that might end up not solve that problem. So in all, I want to use this opportunity to also let you know that I'll be hosting a creator that his channel got demonetized due to reused content. Now, it's not just about the reused content, but this channel has been earning like thousands of dollars monthly on this YouTube platform. Yeah, you heard me right. So she'll be coming around. She's not only going to tell us about how her channel got demonetized, she's going to tell us the history, everything you need to know about a channel that is earning in thousands, what actually happened, how she did get to that level, and what eventually happened that got her channel demonetized. So join us tomorrow. We'll be here live. I'll be sharing the details on the screen right now. So if you're already monetized, or you're about to monetize, or you're not yet monetized, you don't need to miss this live stream. It's more than a masterclass, real life scenario. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you know about this hidden policy that when one channel is affected, it affects other channels that the creator owns? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss useful videos like this from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.